More news that's breaking this minute. A man suspected to have contracted COVID-19 who was taken to the Gandhi hospital on May 30th has now gone missing. Narendra Singh's family has alleged that he was moved to the Gandhi hospital after he complained of his illness. However, he lost contact with the family the day after. Now, his family has filed a missing persons complaint at the Mangalghat police station. The family has urged Telangana government to track Narendra Singh.
6:25 को गांधी हॉस्पिटल के लिए एक एम्बुलेंस आई और उसमें सवार होकर उनको लेकर गया और अगली सुबह 30 मई को जब हमने 7 बजे कॉल किया तो उन्होंने फ़ोन उठाया और 7:45 बजे भी हमने वापस कॉल किया तो भी उन्होंने फ़ोन उठाया, लेकिन उसके बाद 9 बजे के बाद से कोई कॉल नहीं लगा, ना ही उनका कुछ भी पता चला और आज तक भी लापता है। और तो आज हम सरकार से ये अपील कर रहे हैं कि हमारे नरेंद्र सिंह उर्फ डब्बू जहाँ पर भी है उन्हें ढूंढ निकाला जाए और गांधी अस्पताल के डॉक्टरों से ये निवेदन है कि उनका ट्रीटमेंट चालू रखे और सही सलामत हमारे घर वापस भी जाए।
Let me bring in my colleague Shamit, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Shamit, what are the updates you're picking up? Has there been any confirmation? What is the police saying at this point about the whereabouts of this man who has now gone missing?
Yet another shocking incident has reported in Hyderabad city. We were reporting a Rashid's incident where body was exchanged in the Gandhi hospital and was cremated later in the same week. Now another case has reported. Narendra Singh, after he developed illness, he was shifted to the King Koti hospital on 30th May and later on the same day he was shifted to the Gandhi hospital. And after getting to the Gandhi hospital, after getting admitted into the Gandhi hospital, he was complaining about ill treatment, and from there he was speaking to his family members saying that no treatment is being provided to him. Later on that day, on 2nd June, he spoke to his neighbor. According to the family members, he spoke to his neighbor, and from then there is no whereabouts about him. The police, on 6th June, after looking for him, and the efforts went into vain, the family members has lodged a complaint with Mangalghat police station, and Mangalghat police station's SHO Ranveer Reddy has spoken to us, and he said that a missing FIR was filed in the Mangalghat police station about Narendra Singh, and since then it's been around 11 days the patient is missing. He was having breathlessness and he was suffering with this COVID symptoms. The medical authorities have not confirmed that he's COVID patient, and the police is also not confirming that he's a COVID patient. But till now, the patient went missing. The family is is really confused that the patient who got admitted into the Gandhi is now went missing. Where did he go? Where? And how is police negligent in tracing the patient, COVID suspected patient, in all these days, and is still now missing, and no official confirmation from the medical authorities or from the local police.
All right. Also, Shamit, we understand that this man who's suspected to have contracted COVID-19, he was taken to the Gandhi hospital on May 30th. Has there been any reaction that has come in from the hospital on this entire issue?
No, not yet. Gandhi authorities and the Gandhi medical superintendent is saying that he is missing from the Gandhi hospital, and FIR is lodged with the local police, is investigating it, and local police is trying to trace that suspected patient, Narendra Singh. As of now, his whereabouts is not known, and till now the family is in dilemma that where did the patient go from the Gandhi hospital. No official confirmation from the Gandhi, and police is saying that they are probing the matter. And this is the second issue. We should also notice that this is the second issue after Rashid incident.
All right. All right. Shamit, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates.